President Bongbong Marcos has arrived in Cebu to assess the damage left behind by Typhoon Tino. And for the latest, we have One News Cebu Desk, Dale Israel. Dale, okay, anong oras dumating ang Pangulo dyan at anong mga pinag-usapan nila?
President Bongbong Marcos nga, Lord, has already arrived here at the Cebu Capitol. And nagpunta rin siya sa dalawa pang venue doon sa Talisay City at una niyang kinuntahan yung Kotkot sa Liloan. Earlier, President Marcos visited yung Kilpilon Elementary School in Barangay Kotkot, an area which is near the Kotkot River which overflowed at the height of the storm. He also inspected homes swept away by the flash floods from the Maranga River in Talisay City. The President has announced an initial 50 million in assistance for Cebu to help the typhoon victims. Lord?
Dale, ang Pangulo ba ay makikipagpulong din sa mga officials ng Cebu at hanggang kailan siya nandyan?
I'm sorry, Denise?
Dale, oo, ang Pangulo ba ay may mga nakaset na meeting with the officials there at hanggang kailan siya magtatagal dyan?
Ang Presidente ay ka-meeting ngayon. There's an ongoing meeting ngayon at it's a situation report with the governors and the mayors of Cebu, lalo na mga apektadong syudad at bayan. Nakita natin kanina dito si Mayor Nestor Archival ng Cebu City, nandito rin ang mga Cebu Provincial Board members at si Vice Governor Glenn Soco at mga opisyal ng Office of the Civil Defense. Denise.
All right. On that note, maraming salamat sa iyong report ang ating One News Cebu Desk, Dale Israel.